Imagine transforming your living space into a tranquil sanctuary designed to promote relaxation and well-being. Himalayan pink salt walls are rapidly becoming one of the most popular home wellness features for older adults. Beyond their breathtaking aesthetic, these stunning features bring a soothing, spa-like experience right into your home. In this video, we will explore every aspect of pink salt walls, from health benefits to installation and costs. Himalayan salt is harvested from ancient salt deposits near the Salt Range, millions of years in the making. These natural blocks are carefully cut into bricks and mounted together with custom backlighting. They can be built as standalone accent walls, headboards, or integrated into dedicated relaxation rooms. The result is a striking design element that combines ancient nature with modern residential luxury. For seniors, one of the biggest appeals is the calming ambient lighting that helps lower daily stress levels. Unlike harsh blue light from screens, the soft amber wavelength helps promote natural sleep cycles and eye comfort. Many people practice halotherapy or salt therapy, believing that salt-infused environments enhance respiratory comfort. Salt naturally attracts moisture from the air, helping trap dust and pollen to maintain a fresher room atmosphere. Creating a dedicated, peaceful space encourages daily mindfulness, light stretching, and relaxation. It provides a soothing retreat to unwind, recharge, and enjoy a quiet moment of peace every day. When planning a salt wall, structural support is essential as natural salt blocks can be quite heavy. Energy efficient. LED lighting strips are typically installed behind the bricks to provide even dimmable warmth. Humidity management is crucial. Keeping room humidity below 50% prevents the salt bricks from absorbing excess moisture. Smart lighting controls allow you to adjust the brightness levels easily throughout the day and evening. Maintenance is surprisingly low. Simply dusting the bricks periodically with a dry microfiber cloth is all it takes. Costs vary depending on size. Small DIY salt panels start around a few $100s. Full custom-installed walls with integrated lighting and framing generally range from $2,000 to $5,000. Hiring a professional installer is recommended for full-scale walls to ensure proper safety and framing. A pink salt wall is not only a health-conscious addition but also an investment in timeless home elegance. For older adults seeking comfort, peace, and ambient luxury, it creates the ultimate home haven. Always consult health professionals for specific wellness needs and plan your home installation with care. Would you add a pink salt wall to your home? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more wellness ideas.